Hi, my name's Olivia, and I can burp louder than college boys. And here's a few ones I can do. Wait a moment, I need to load. Yeah, that's really good. Hear that?
Do the other one, Liv.
And here's another one.
One more.
I like to call the Stampede Elephants. And here's the last one. Last one, folks.